Okay, before start getting into LaraGoTables examples here, I would like to catch your attention regarding two things. The first one is about the installation of DataTables. You will find those lines clearly displayed here in the website, the official website. Okay, so we will go to this example, the very first one, zero configuration, and see what is going on. Here you can see that everything is working nicely. So let's get into the source code. Okay, so Mr. Allen told us to put this line, jQuery DataTables. It means that one. Okay, let's uncomment this line. All right. And the second one is the jQuery one, also jQuery DataTables minify package. Okay, that one. Okay, so we will see now if what is going on. If I refresh, you will find that everything collapsed. It means that those two lines are very important. Not only this one too is important, okay, like what Mr. Allen showed us here. All right, so I would like to show you that even this line is important too. So if we uncomment this line and the other one, the first one, and also that piece of code here, you will find that everything is work perfectly. But if we uncomment that one, everything will collapse again. So don't forget that this one is important too, because it's about jQuery, you know. So we have it has to be here. What else? The other one is about the way that Mr. Allen show us this section of the piece of code here: JavaScript, script, the HTML, CSS, and so on. I have did the same thing, but I have to save this here. Okay, I've done the same thing, adding 3 more piece of code. There is JavaScript, HTML, CSS, the root here, okay, controller, and model. You will find that all my examples will hold those pieces of code to make it easy for you. Thank you for watching. See you very soon. Thank you.